Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we are. I'm going to present our PPT that is from Group 2 in Digital Literacy and Humanity lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the human and technology relationship, Industrial Revolution 4.0 and Society 5.0. But before that, we are going to introduce ourselves. The first one is Kurnia Setyanti with ID number 4101420076. Me, Bagus Surya Maulana with ID number 4101420126. And Nanda Vialdo 5302422009. Fajri Afriliyani 5302422020. And the last one is Kachkynov Aidar Aibekovich with ID number 5302422092. And then what we are going to explain about first is about the human and technology relationship. Human and technology relationships. We live in a world which requires us to better understand the relationship between human and technology. It is from the paper listed in 2016. So this is also represented the framework of philosophy cultivated by the Lubin School of Philosophy, represented by Mieczysław Krapej and his concept of two intentionalities. And then this is also true in this era or in this world right now, that is the recurrent us to better understand the relation between human and technology. In this term, technology is not also just like an electricity things or computer thing, but technology also in the term of the thing that help humans work or humans doing their job. Then the next is there is a picture of a relationship between human and technology. Nowadays, we know that everything is on technology, and also like in the pandemic, we also use our technology to use it or to make some solution, I think, for pandemic era. So we use our technology in this picture. We know that technology also have a connection with a human. In this term, we know that technology and humans can never be separated. Human will forever remain require technology to facilitate their activity. Like I say, in the past, the pandemic also, the pandemic makes everyone use their technology, even though they are not expert it like the old era, like the boomer era, but they have to do it. And the benefit of technology will be felt when humans themselves are wise in using them. So if we want to use the technology, we have to be wise to using them. Not just like we use the technology that have no aim or have no idea of it, but we have to wise to use it, because technology also collects our data, our identity, so we have to aware of it, and then aware of our privacy, and then like just like that, so be wise of using technology. So that is for technology and human relationship. For the next, will be explained about the Society 5.0 and Revolution Industry or Industrial Revolution 4.0 by my friends.
Now, me and my friend going to share you about Industry Revolution 4.0. What's the Industry Revolution 4.0? This is the explanation. Industry 4.0 enables the manufacturing sector to become digitalist with built-in sensing device virtually in all manufacturing component, product, and equipment. Hence, Industry 4.0 is a contemporary issue that conquers today's industrial production as a whole and is meant to revolutionize it. In 2011, Germany introduced Industry 4.0 at the Hanover Fair event, symbolizing the advent of a brand new era of industrial revolution. Before Industry 4.0 uh, start, there were three prior industrial revolution that have led to change of paradigm in the domain of manufacturing. So, this is a revolution industry. Start from 1.0. Water 1 water and steam power, and 2 mechanization. The second 2.0 start from mass production, 2 assembly line, and 3 electrical energy. Then 3.0 start from automation, computerization, and electric device and component. And then last, start from cyber physical system into Internet of Things or IoT, 3 augmented reality, and 4 big data and analysis. So next, Nanda.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Nanda Vialdo from the PTK Study Program. Here I will explain the positive and negative impacts of the industry revolution. There are 4 positive impacts of the industry revolution. In 1, facilitates access to all information by using devices that are connected to the internet and other technology. 2, effectiveness in the field of production, replacing human labor with machines technology. 3, increase national income because it produces good in a relative short time. The quality is also good. And 4, increase opportunity for scale works. Next, there are 3 negative impacts of the industry revolution. 1, vulnerable to cyber attack. 2, requires a large investment, equipment, and works. 3, urbanization in the increasing number of people in big cities and the impacts on the environment due to pollution, waste, and other negative things. Next, 5 example of the industry revolution are 1, e-commerce. 2, service aggregator. 3, digital marketing agency. 4, digital payment. 5, online course. Okay, maybe enough. Thank you.
Now, we're gonna talk about the relationship between humans and Society 5.0. So guys, what do you know about Society 5.0? Before we answer these questions, it's better if we know the previous society. There are Society 1.0, known as Hunter-Gatherer Society, where humans still gather and hunt food from the original nature. And next, Society 2.0, known as Agrarian Society, where humans will independently grow their own foods. And next, Society 3.0, known as Industrial Society, where technologies of mass production are used to make vast amounts of goods in factories. And then, Society 4.0, known as Information Society, where the information were spreading so quickly without the limitation of time and place. And finally, we are in this era of Society 5.0. It is a human-centered society that blends the economic and advancement with the resolution of social problems by a system that highly integrates cyberspaces and physical space. In Industrial Revolution 4.0, we know the existence of cyber-physical system or CPS, that is, the integration between physical system, computation, also network or communication. Thus, the Society 5.0 can be considered as the refinement of CPS, be a cyber-physical human system, or CPHS, where human not only being an object or the passive element, but being an active participation as subject or an active player that work with physical system in achieving the goals. For example, humans creating the robot, and human also use the robot to help their work, so the work become easily to be clear. Because of the existence of Society 5.0, of course, there are several effects. If in the previous, the knowledge and information are not shared and cross-sector value is difficult to create, because of the Society 5.0, now Internet of Things will connect all people and things. All sorts of knowledge and information will be shared and totally new valuable will be born. The other effect, we are from a variety of constraints that exist with respect to social problems such as the aging society and regional depopulation, making a sufficient response difficult. But now, social issues will be overcome and humans will be liberated from various types of constraints. From then, people do large amount of work. Their abilities had limitation, and the behavior of physically challenged is constrained. But now, the possibilities open to human will expand through the use of robot, automatic driving car, and etc. And last, from the overflow of information, the work of finding and analyzing the information desired is difficult and burdensome. But because of the Society 5.0, all will free humans from the burdensome of analyzing huge amount of information. There are also so many other effects of Society 5.0. You can try to search the information of it. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.